Hey guys, in this video we will learn about JavaScript filters. So JavaScript filters are used to manipulate the array and generate a new array based on conditions we put into the filter. Let's understand how it works with taking an example. So we have a, employee array with name, age, gender, and salary. So what we want to get, first of all, get all the male employees from the object array. So how we can get the male employees, first of all, with the help of filters. So first of all, employees, let's save into const result employees dot filter, and here we can pass employee, and employee dot gender is equal to, let's say, male, and here we console the result. Let's run the code. So you can see that we get all the male employees data, and we skip the female data. So we now we want one more step. We want only the employees, male employees having age less than 30 and age less than 30. So what we can do, we also can put condition here, but we use the method chaining. So if we pass another filter, like, or any operation here after the first operation, it's called the method chaining. So let's say employee again, and now we have imp dot age is less than 30. Okay, so let's run it. First of all, clear it and run the code. So as you can see that we have only two records here, age 26 and 28, that both are less than 30. So it's now we have knowing that how filters are working, but one case that some employees are in interview asked that how we can get the total of salary based on the condition of filter. Like, if we have all the record that male and less than, having a less than 30 age, we want to get the salary of all the employees having less than age less than 30 and gender is male. So how we can do that? For that we need to use the method reduce. So what we can pass it in, we can pass first value is accumulator, and the second value is current value. So when we pass here accumulator and current value, we need to return it accumulator plus current. I will explain how it works here. First of all, let's just write the code, and need to pass here the initial value with the comma. So let's first of all calculate the result amount. It's 54,000 and 24,000, so it should be 78,000, I guess. So let's run it. It's object actually okay, actually we should return here current dot salary. Let's clear and run it. So here's the result. So how it works, like if you don't watch my reducer video that is using the reduce method in JavaScript, you can watch it. I will put the link in the description, but for now I just want to let you understand that how it's work. So reducer is passed to method two variables parameters, like the first one the accumulator and the second one is the current value. So accumulator is the return value of what we return here. So in here we first of all pass here 0. That is the initial value of accumulator. So first of all it goes here and returns 0 plus current. Current is the number of first object of employees. So it give us the salary after the filter. So here we have a filter of male and less than 30. So for Akshay it returns our 24,000 salary, and 0 plus 24,000 it will return 24,000, and next in loop the value was 24 in accumulator, and when we return the current dot salary, it return us the value into in our filter, and it returns 54,000. Let me first of all console here. Accumulator and salary. Let's add comma, better understanding. So here you can see first of all it's the accumulator value was 0, and the current dot salary was what comes from the filter. So it was 24,000. The second time the accumulator, as we return accumulator dot salary, that 0 plus 24,000, and the current value was of accumulator was 24,000, and when we plus current dot salary here and return it, it comes 78,000. So how it's work, and we can get the salary of based on the filters we want. So it's mostly asked in the interview questions, so we are covering it. Hopefully you like the video. If you really like, please hit like button and subscribe my channel for like these types of video, like interview types or JavaScript concept type videos. So have a great day. Thanks.